See, the dictum in corporate life is changing. Initially, it was like you had to be so many years a consultant, then a senior consultant, then a marketing manager, then a senior manager. So probably today, what we feel, as I feel as a youth, is this should be gone. You know, what I want to see is how fast can I frog jump these spots.
There are a lot of things that I want to achieve. I would like to have another car, more zippy car, and a house, and a lot of travel, a lot of wealth, fame, everything you can talk about, think about.
Every day is full of challenges, and I feel growing with time is as important as growing with brands. So I definitely will be in custody of a lot of more brands that I have currently in my portfolio.
Well, towards my career, I'm very serious about my career. I would like to make a lot of progress. I want to have something of my own, I want to have some big business of my own. I mean, which will give me a lot of responsibility, a lot of independence financially, which makes me gives me a glamorous personality,
First thing, I'll see me earning a lot of money. I'll get married most probably, and I want money basically.
एक अच्छा आलीशान मकान हो, बैंक बैलेंस हो, घूमने फिरने के लिए फॉरेन टूर हो.
In life, we see owning a big palatial house with nice swanky cars, and career-wise, where we are much higher than what we are today.
I feel down the line I see myself doing something really big in terms of money, fame and acclamation, something which gives me an opportunity to do and fulfill all my dreams and wishes.
Partying is like every weekend, yeah, and sometimes weekdays also. But yeah, and I go out every month.
Bungee jumping, I've still not done that. Still want to do parasailing, a lot of stuff left. And I think there are a lot of exotic places left to be seen.
Partying is all the weekends, and partying is in terms of going wild, having fun, getting high, going to pubs, and then freaking out with the boyfriend and with the friends.
Enjoying for me means being with friends, in the company of friends, going out, pubbing, then things like going out for travel, maybe a adventurous trip like going for a river rafting or maybe a mountain trekking and all.
I want to go to Las Vegas.
Ideally, I would like to own a Swift on my own someday, and it's because of the swanky good looks, and it's spacious within, and it comes in great colors.
Currently, I want to buy a Santro Zinc. It's a cool car, sleek, nice, and it fits into your mold of a new yuppie kind of a generation. And I think it's a very good symbol of who you are, a car.
तो आज दिल्ली में ऐसे शोबाजी का बहुत शौक है. अगर किसी का कार है तो they will show that he is a five family.
Car is must. I mean, I can't dream of traveling with my fiancée on a two-wheeler.
Independence being the biggest thing, and also it gives me a chance to get back and get even with all those guys who keep trying to bully you on the road. So I've turned into quite an aggressive driver.
I think nowadays the requirement is number of members and number of cars one should have.
Basically, आप जानते हैं दिल्ली में पार्किंग की बहुत समस्या है, तो उसके लिए ऑल्टो is the best.
There is a kind of a character sketch happens the moment the brand of your car comes in front of you, right? If somebody tells me he drives an Icon Flare, so I would see that person in the light of the communication that happens around it, a much more enthusiastic, flair for speed.
For a girl, it's very important to be independent. I don't want to be dependent on my husband or my brother to drop me here and there.
गाड़ी ज़िंदगी का एक हिस्सा समझ लीजिए आज की डेट में है. कहीं भी कुछ भी हमें प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती है. मेरे पेरेंट्स है, अगर वो उनके पैर में प्रॉब्लम है, उन्हें नहीं जा सकते वो बाइक से या बस से, तो मुझे लगता है कि गाड़ी चाहिए उनके लिए फिर एक.
I'm quite proud of owning my own car because none of the girls in my family have owned their own car, but I bought my own car.
जब छुट्टी से मिले तभी पार्टी, जहाँ दोस्त मिले वहाँ पार्टी.
Earlier I was in sales and marketing, terribly boring, and I couldn't look at people and be nice and polite, which is expected in marketing. In advertising, I can be myself and I'm forgiven. Even now, whether it's landlords, bosses, co-workers, helpful aunties, everybody's trying to tell you what to do. I want to reach a stage where everyone can tell, I can tell everyone, listen, back off.
Work hard and party harder is my life funda.
I myself, I know what I want, and I believe in listen to everybody, do whatever you feel like doing.